I'ma have a drink up like it's my last. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Benny and I'm a Nigerian YouTuber based in Budapest. Thank you so much for stopping by. If this is your first time, you're welcome. Please stay, kindly hit the subscribe button and join this beautiful community. Today's video, we're going to be going through the full face of this fall makeup tutorial. I hope you guys enjoy watching it as much as I enjoyed creating it for you guys. And if you want to see this, please keep watching the video.
Told you so extra, but I know I'm the same. Yeah. Love me in spite of my trauma. Give me what I need instead of the drama. Cause when it pop off, it's like, oh my, all good all day, but the night we be going so hard on the flip side. So tell me what we on a day, babe. I could keep that same energy. When you go low, I go low too. But you'd rather stay high, I know you. Can we stay high, babe? I'd rather be on that way. Tryna control our emotions. If we on the right side of passion, we could share love in the ocean. But if you wanna go insane either way, baby, we could go all night. We could do it all night. We could go all night, all night. Do we heal, do we bleed? I'ma follow your lead, but we could go all night. Now all of my calls go to voicemail. I block you so I don't raise hell. Should've talked through it in detail. Our separate ways ain't gon' end well, no. But when we get back, it's like, oh my, all bad all day, but the nights get that good till we act right. So tell me what we on today, babe. I could keep that same energy. When you go low, I go low too. But you'd rather stay high, I know you. Can we stay high, babe? I'd rather be on that wave. Tryna control our emotions. If we on the right side of passion, we could share love in the ocean. But if you wanna go insane either way, baby, we could go on.
So I'm going in with a brighter concealer under my eyes because I want that really light under eye on this look. So taking this Too Faced Born This Way in the shade Latte.
I've been calm, cool, collected, but you pushing on my nerves, and I'm knowing your attention, I'm under pressure. Okay, I'm admitting that a couple things I said got acidic in the tone, in the presence I get careless. Long as you know I come with imperfections. When you look at me, you see the soul through my flesh. You something special. Know you looking bomb, the way you dress and gone. Flex and hold it still and let my mind digest. You got the leverage. You got the upper handle on the situation. You worthy of a million more of the storms that we weathered. We fight retreating this, but you trying to kill the cycle. When nobody's stressing that body like me, I know the way you like it. I treat you like a queen, run the castle, you a treasure. Feel like you setting fire to my desire for the pleasure. You a gem, got me blameless, make amends. Know you can, I'm out here
trying to control our emotions. If we on the right side of passion, we can share love in the ocean. But if you wanna go insane either way, baby, we could go all night. We could go all night. We could go all night.
So I went ahead and finished my brows off camera. This is how they're looking. Next I went in with my eyeshadow, this Morphe palette, and I used a very light orange shade as my transition color between my eyebrows and my eyelid, and just made sure to blend that out really nicely. Next I went in with a medium brown look. This is for my outer V and some parts of the crease. This is also part of the transitioning because I wanted the eyeshadow to have a very smooth transition. And I blended this out before going in with a deeper brown color in the crease. So I'm using this pointed brush from Real Techniques to apply the deeper brown color into my crease because I don't want the brown color to spread too much over the eye. I just want it in the crease area. And after that, I went ahead to blend all the shades in together so that I have a smooth blend. Next, I went in with this NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer, and I'm using it as more or less a primer or an eyeshadow base. And I put this in the areas where I want to put a white to cream type of eyeshadow, and I'm just using this over that area to create a fine smooth base so that the eyeshadow looks much more vibrant. Next, I went in with a flat brush and the white or beige color, which I was which I wanted to use for this eye look, and I just patted this over. And after that, I went in to blend out. I went in to add some of the deep brown color to the crease and the edge, and then blended everything out so that it gives a smooth finish and transition through all the colors. Next up was some eyeliner using this NYX brow filler. This is actually a brow pencil, but then it's black, and I decided to use it for my eyeliner today. So I'm just drawing up an eyeliner. The pencil tip is actually fat, but it was perfect for this look because I didn't want a defined eyeline today. I wanted to smoke it out at the end, so this pencil was perfect for that. And after doing that, then I used the flat brush to smoke out the eyeliner. Finished the second eye off camera. So I went ahead, I finished my eyes, and I just put on my lashes. So next I'm going in with this Maybelline Fit Me matte and poreless powder. This is in the shade Porcelain. Like I told you guys earlier, I want like a really bright under eye, so I'm going in with this matte pressed powder, and I'm just got some on my eye. I'm just tapping it to reset my under eyes. Next, I'm going to do some powder contouring on my face. So here and then my nose, just to give some more definition to it.
I can see you looking at me. Yeah, my eyes are open wide. So you want me to set you free?
I think next up I'm going to do some blush on my face.
Tell me everything about you. Yeah, 'cause I really wanna know.
So next I want to set my face, and I'm just using the setting spray to dampen this beauty blender, and then I'm pressing this into my skin. I saw this hack and I just decided I wanted to try it today, so this was the first time I was trying it. It worked pretty well, but I think I'm going to stick with spraying going forward. I don't know, I'm just a traditional girl when it comes to some of these skins.
Oh,
Finally I'm going to do my lips. So I'm going to do this dark upper lip and a bright under lip. This is the first time I'm going to be trying this, and I don't know how it's going to look on me, but we're going to try it anyway. So
tell me everything about you. Yeah, 'cause I really wanna know. You can ride with me forever. Yeah, anywhere you wanna go. Night is over the park and a few bright stars. I give you the moon and my all is yours. Don't hesitate, just give me your all. Just give me your all. So let's fly into a dream.
I think I'm going to leave it like this. So I only put gloss on the lower lip, but I think I like it like this. Final thing is going to be highlighter, obviously. I'm just going to dust it on my skin. So I'm going to finish up my hair and I'll be back with the finished final look. Okay guys, so this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video and you found it informative. Let me know your thoughts in the comments section. If you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and do so, and also follow me on my other social media, which will be linked in the description box below. Thank you, and I will see you in my next video.